In today's video, I'm going to teach you Charter.net Login 2026, how to log in Charter email account. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to Spectrum.net. Since Charter email is now accessed through Spectrum, this is the correct place to sign in and reach your mailbox. Once the website loads, look for the Sign In option, usually near the top of the page, and click on it to continue. On the sign-in screen, enter your full Charter.net email address in the username or email fields. Make sure you type the entire address, including the @charter.net part, because Spectrum recommends using the complete email address when logging in to webmail. This is important since using only part of the address may prevent the login from working correctly. Next, enter the password associated with your Charter.net email account. Take a moment to type it carefully, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols. If you're on a personal device, you may choose to save your login details for convenience, but if you're using a shared or public computer, it's best not to do that for security reasons. After entering your email address and password, click Sign In. At this point, Spectrum may ask you to complete an extra verification step. If that happens, simply follow the instructions shown on the screen. This security check helps protect your account and is a normal part of the login process for some users. Once you've successfully signed in, the next step is to open your email. Look for the Check Email option on the page. In some versions of the Spectrum interface, you may not see it immediately, and that's okay. If needed, click More first and then select Check Email from the menu. After that, your Charter.net inbox should open in Spectrum Webmail. From there, you'll be able to read incoming messages, send new emails, and manage your mailbox just like usual. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds, especially if your internet connection is slow or your inbox contains a lot of messages. That's all it takes to log into your Charter.net email account through Spectrum. Just go to Spectrum.net, click Sign In, enter your full Charter.net email address and password, complete any verification if prompted, and then open Check Email to access your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.